Hi there, it's Lukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a sample video for the Nothing Phone 1. I'm here on a weekend off in Poland, in the beautiful city of Wroclaw or Breslau, and enjoying a lovely weekend. The weather is fantastic, it's nice and warm, and we're here for a family wedding, and we're having a great time in here. So I just wanted to share a video filmed on the Nothing Phone 1 to see how it performs in the real life. I'm a bit worried that it might be a bit too loud because it's quite lively in here. It's around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. here in Poland, so there's a lot of people around. It's a very busy main square, but we'll see how it sounds and how it performs during the day. This is the main camera, and I'm filming in 4K 30 frames per second because that's the main resolution and frame rate you should be filming in. And yeah, just wanted to see how well it performs. There's also the Ultrawide, so let's switch to it. So this is the, again, 4K 30 frames per second, but in Ultrawide. Again, it's quite bright and sunny, so let's see how the 4K 30 frames per second in the ultra-wide camera performs. As you can see, the architecture is quite amazing here. The colorful buildings, the lively atmosphere, the ice cream that people are having. If you ever get a chance, definitely visit this. Plus, there's something special in here, which are the gnomes. We have figures of around 600 gnomes here in Wroclaw. Each one is different, and this one spits water. And it's quite amazing. I'll show you a few more. They're usually much smaller, like 30 to 40 centimeters tall. But this one is much bigger. And this is my favorite gnome, the one with the heart. And it's quite lovely. I'm gonna show you a few more in photos that I took with this camera, but it's quite nice. It's quite bright, so I'm not sure how well it will perform, but I wanted to see how the image stabilization performs as well. So let's walk a bit towards this lovely fountain. Might be a bit loud, so I might turn the volume down a bit. And let me just share a quick video from the top of the cathedral, from a wee bridge here at the cathedral with some more gnomes. We're still filming in 4K, the main camera, and this is the view of Wrocław from up top. And let's switch to the ultra-wide as well. And we're still in 4K, ultra-wide, top of the cathedral. Lovely views. And the gnomes. Lovely. And that's me descending from the tower. We'll see how shaky it is. Quite a lot of traffic here. The lighting isn't the best. It's quite low light. and I just wanted to show you a bit more of Wrocław. We are here by the beautiful Odra River, and it's quite lovely in here. And we've just been to one of the most amazing paintings, which was a panorama. I'll show some footage from it. It was a 120 meters long painting, which was all around a building, and it's 15 meters tall. And you can see a battle from 1794, if memory serves me, which happened in Poland during an insurrection. So yeah, if you ever are in Wrocław, it's definitely a place to visit. But yeah, we're here back by the river. You can hear the boats, you can hear some music in the background, and it's quite lovely. And finally, the selfie camera. It's limited to 1080p, so there's no 4K recording, but I can just walk around and show you what beautiful Wrocław looks like on the Nothing Phone 1 using the selfie camera. I'm walking just slowly, and I'm walking towards the sun, so it's a bit bright, but I wanted to show you how it performs. I wanted to show you one of the gnomes, my favorite one, which is next to one of the main buildings in here, but there's so many people there that I cannot really show you. But this is one of the city halls, the old city hall. Quite amazing architecture in here in Wrocław, and you've got people playing old instruments behind me. And yeah, if you ever get the chance, definitely come and visit Wrocław. It's such a lovely place. After reviewing the footage, I just wanted to leave a further note and film a quick clip on the front-facing camera, because the footage was quite shaky when I was moving, so I wanted to just film without moving, just holding my hand. It's a bit shaking anyway, but just wanted to show you what it's like when I'm not moving or walking around. Otherwise, I think the footage looked great when I was editing the video, and the stabilization when walking from the back-facing camera was great. So yeah, just wanted to leave a further comment for you in here, but let me close the video from the main square in Wrocław. So that's it, that's the sample video for the Nothing Phone 1, filmed in 4K 30, there's no 4K 60 on this phone, except for the slow motion video, which was in 720p, and except for the selfie video, which is in Full HD. So let us know in the comments below what you think about this video, what you thought about the video quality, and leave us a comment below. We will continue reviewing this phone, and we should do some comparisons with other phones as well, so look out for that. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see more videos from us. But for now, from lovely Wrocław, thanks for watching.